Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a look at Plum Paper Planner. I have been sharing Plum Paper here on my channel for quite some time, but there were some things that I added and did differently this time around. So I thought that I would look at the planner and unbox this with you. So this is how the package comes. I did not get the Plum Paper in the regular size, which I believe is like a 7x9. I got it in the larger size, which is 8.5 by 11, and also I got it unpunched. So the three sizes that they have are A5, which is 5 by 8 by 8 and 8.3 inches, and then there's the 7 by 9, and then this one, which is the large one, is 8.5 by 11. It's a coil planner. There's so many things that you can do with it. Special thanks to Plum Paper for sending me this to review and share with you guys here on my channel. So let's get into what is inside the box. So aside from the noisy bubble wrap, it gave this card on the Plum Paper cover material. It's water resistant, tear proof, rigid, and sturdy. And this is an example. This is me trying to pull at it. There you have it. Then it gave this on how you can get your product for free. 1, follow Plum Paper on Instagram at Plum Paper. Post a picture of your Plum Paper. 3, on the first of each month, they pick a winner. And 4, the winner will receive a refund for the cost of the product that they posted. And then more information on the planner. It has a strong coil. It's made of a sturdy, durable metal material. Quality paper. It's on Lux Super Smooth 70-pound paper. It's a durable cover. As I mentioned, the covers are personalized and they're water resistant and tear proof. There's a pocket folder, a double-sided one for extra storage, Mylar tabs with which have a different, well, it's laminated, I should just say that. And then you can start at any month, which is another cool feature about Plum Paper. They also sent these stickers. These are cute. So you get some boxes, some flags, some circles. I believe this is like strips. Yeah, these are just little strips. And then some icons here. You got this. Awesome. Yes. Get it, girl. Paradise Found. Summer Lovin'. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. So I've ordered... Well, I've been able to receive goodies from Plum Paper in the past, sharing here on my channel. Stickers are something I never received, so that's cool. But let's get into the planner. As I said, this is a 2020 planner that is not punched. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with this, so I didn't hole punch it. So here's the cover, and then here's the other cover. This is the one that you can customize. I put my first and middle name on it. And then here's the weekly planner, the page here. Then 2020, get this in frame here. Then it says 2020, it's pretty large. Then you have special dates. Then another page just like that for ideas, plans, goals. This is good for writing your monthly goals. And then what has not changed, there's a notes page here. What has not changed about this is the fact that with Plum Paper, all the dividers are the same. So it's nothing really crazy about this. If you wanted to decorate it, okay. If you don't, all right. So each month you get this monthly highlights page with 3 goal spaces, birthdays, events, things to remember, 2 additional spaces down here, a notes page at the front, the monthly calendar, which has a space for lists, and the upcoming month in the corner on the bottom. Then you have this layout here. If you guys watch my Choosing the Right Planner for You video, you would have saw a snapshot of this. That was the 7x9 size that I showed in that video. You have the month here, and what's great about this is that you can highlight the week that you're in. So this would be the 1st through the 5th. Then you have a checklist, notes, and you have all this line space, and then at the bottom you have boxes to put your priorities. I've used this planner a number of ways, and I recommend, if you're going to put your priorities here, or you can put your TV shows that you're watching, you can put in your gratitude for the day. You can really make this space your own and then do your planning up here. But I have put TV shows down here. You can put what you're eating, your workout for the day, so there's space for all of that. So here's how a month at a glance looks. And this goes from January 27th to February 2nd. And then at the end of each month, I have it where there's extra add-ons. Add-ons can cost more money. I talked about this in the Choosing the Right Planner for You video. The more that you add on, the higher that the price is going to be. This is the gratitude one. So it says I am grateful for, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, and then a place for because. And you have a double side of that, and then a reflection this past month in 3 words, and it's undated, so you can put in whatever month you want. There's a wellness scale, happiness, calmness, productivity, fulfillment, energy, health, I started, I finished, things I did, places I went, foods I ate, things I read or watched, and most memorable part of this month. What I love about this reflection page is that if you are not someone that does a lot of memory planning, but you really just want to have those memories highlighted and they're not in your weekly spreads, because your weekly spreads could be more family oriented or business oriented, and this just gives you a reflection of what's going on personally outside of the surface level of all the things you need to get done. And then the other side of the reflection page has this month's goal. So main goal, progress I made this month, how I succeeded this month, how I can improve for next month, and steps to reach improvements. So these are the action steps. And this reminds me of the monthly goal page that Happy Planner has in theirs. Then here's February. I'm just going to show you guys the dividers here. So here's February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And then at the end of December, there's again those gratitude and monthly reflection pages. And then here is the dot grid page. It's one full one and then another sheet, so 3 in total. Then there's the passwords, website username, password, contacts, double side of that, holidays from 2020 to 2022, and it's just the basic generic holidays, and then a perpetual calendar of 2021. And then here's the double-sided pocket they were talking about, and then here's the cover, and then that plastic again. So I will link below the other Plum paper reviews that I've done. I've shared the content planner last year, which I did use, and then I had the 7x9 one. So if you see me doing any kind of plan with me, it's in the 7x9 one that I had in 2017, just to show you guys the different versatility in layouts. But I'm going to actually be giving this planner away to one of you guys. If you don't want this cover, I won't send it, but you could also just cover my name and it has 2020 on it. But I would definitely send the plastic cover and all of the contents of what I just showed to you guys. I don't want to continue to keep things that I know I'm not going to use. So when I asked Plum Paper for this planner, I was planning on using this for memory planning, but I have one that I got from Cloth and Paper in the October stationery box that I'm going to use for memory planning instead. So I hope that I can bless one of you guys with this planner. Again, this is the 8.5 by 11 inch. And to win this planner, all you have to do is subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below, how would you make this kind of planner work for you? What makes you a vertical kind of person? So if you're a vertical planner, you want to give this planner a try, you need a planner for the new year, I would love for you to enter the giveaway. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments section below as well. So that wraps it up for this one. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will of course have the giveaway details, as well as links to Plum Paper and all the information, and the links to my blog and Instagram and the entire Planning for 2020 series. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, may the odds forever be in your favor if you enter this giveaway. And I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.